And because you guys have been so very supportive of me as I've been crashing out on this here internet over my struggles with perimenopause, I thought I'd come back and give you an update. And I thank you because you guys said HRT, 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 HRT. Well, my best friend said it first, and if I don't say that, she's going to kill me. But you also said, girl, get you some HRT. And so I went through doctors, and guess what I did? I did what you said. Here's my refill. I've been on hormone replacement therapy. That's what it stands for about a month. Now, I won't go through all the things, what it is. That's another video, but I just want to show you what it looks like in case some of you don't know what it looks like. So here we go. I have the Estradiol 50. I prefer my estrogen in a patch form as opposed to a cream just because I don't want to think about it. Mine looks like this. There are all kinds. Go see your doctor, get you one. Let's open it. And all I do is after twice a week, after I bathe and clean off, I put a patch. I usually put it here, but there are other places you could put it. See? And then I set it and forget it. And I promise you, when I don't wear this, I hot flash. When I do wear this, I don't. We love it here. Then I have the progesterone. I'm still using it. I'm halfway. That it goes with it. I take it at night, and you're supposed to take them together, balance it out. It calms you. All the things, helps me sleep. And you want to see what it looks like? Okay, I'll do that for you. It's just little. See? Stuff your body already makes. There. Take one every night. 100 milligrams. Then, because sometimes down there don't be down bearing, got some help with that. It's working more than I thought it would. This is the pack it comes in. It is Vagifem 10. There are all kinds. Get what works for you. Talk to your doctor. But this is what is working for me right now. I might switch it up later. Now, I think I would prefer the cream to the pill, but we'll see. This is my first time trying it. Comes like this, the one I have, the Vagifem. And then let me show you. We put it up there, and it's just this little thing. But that's such a big job because, thank God, moisturized, ready to go. I feel a lot better. Now, are there other things I'm taking to help? Yes, I am. But I'll do that in another video. But these things together have saved my life tremendously. My rage is down. My anxiety is down. I'm a happier person. Like, I'm sleeping a little bit better. And my naturopath and I will look at my blood work to balance it out. But if you are scared, don't be. Find you a doctor that knows and go and check it out and see. Because why are we trying to white knuckle? Is that what you call it? Knuckle it, white knuckle it, I don't know, through this. Why are we trying to tough it out? You don't have to be tough. You could get help. That's what you told me, and I took your advice. So go and check. Hope that helps. I love it. I don't think I'm ever going back unless somebody says I have to go back. And it wasn't that terrible to get once I got with the right person, the right doctor. Now, if you are taking HRT and you've had some success or maybe not so much, let us know in the comments. I want to hear your story about how it's working or not working for you. Maybe you're using something else. Put it down there because I want to know. I want to be as whole as I can be. And I know you do too. We are all in this together. The journey is like this. But we got to do it. We don't have to do it alone. So let's do it together. And I can't wait to talk to you again. Bye.